Meanwhile, the opposition has demanded answers from the government, asking the government to clarify on the black money issue.
In the interview of Julian Assange, we have come to have yet another confirmation on matters related to black money. It's also astonishing, a revelation, that the Government of India's efforts are found wanting and probably being even influenced by the US authorities. What interest would it serve if our money is sitting abroad? The illegal money, the looted money from this country is sitting abroad.
I have already said that many times. I have been following every single item of the Hindu insofar as WikiLeaks is concerned, and I have been commenting on most of them through my blog. All that I have said again, and I would say it again today, is that the Lokpal bill, whatever be its shape and form, will be passed only in the monsoon session. The monsoon session is still a couple of months away. And during this period, I expect the government to take action against the scamsters who have come to surface. Therefore, whatever has been done till now is welcome. But more needs to be done. And more important than that, I have been stressing from 2008 that the enormous money that has been stashed in tax havens abroad, not only in Switzerland, but many other tax havens, that must be brought back as urgently as possible. Till now, my complaint against the against the UPA government is that no effort has been made in this direction, which is substantial. Therefore, what the government is being told by the Supreme Court these days has become even more important. Only 2 days back, the reprimand that was administered to the government of India was, is the government sleeping? Why are they doing nothing about this particular matter?